Something is changing. I don't know what is it. I don't know it's just good or bad. I don't know, but something is surely and definitely changing in me, not just around me. It's from the inside that I'm seeing the changes. It's from the inside that I'm feeling it. Maybe it's just for a one day or two, or maybe my, but that's never happened with me. Even for a one day, I was never be this distracted by emptiness. There is nothing inside of me right now. Yeah, that happened before when I don't have anything to thought of. But this is something like I don't even wanted to thought of. Even the thoughts came into my mind or the situation, my brain was like, yeah, let's see it when this happened, which is weird. I don't wanted to eat. What did you just say? Yeah, this not of me so much that I don't wanted to eat. I don't wanted to, like make a scenarios in my head, not even a good ones. And there is some kind of I wouldn't say emptiness, some kind of a like just space, you can say. Like I don't even know if it's a good, that space or a bad space or whatever, but there is something unfulfilled, but not in a very sad manner. I know people empty, unfulfilled, say it in a very, empathetic state, sympathetic state, but it is not that. It is like, yeah, it is. It is unfulfilled, but I have all these years ahead in my life where I'm gonna fulfill this. And I'm not even imagining the scenarios anymore. I'm like, okay, if that happened, we're gonna talk about it right now. Just so it's like, obviously, I also thought of like I might have losing the spark in me, which I didn't. But other than that, I thought of I'll leave that out of me, but that thank God that didn't happen. But yeah, the process that I have in my mind, which is like continuously imagining things or making a scenarios, and you can say that then Mela daydreaming something. I don't do that anymore. Like it just goes out, which is weird. And secondly, the thing that is happening is today is 17th of April, and I already have a video where I tell you that I couldn't fall asleep. For the update of that, I'm still not falling asleep like normally. I am falling asleep like an hour or two, and then I woke up, and then I am having a very weird dreams. And the problem is I don't have dreams. I don't usually had dreams in my life. I had dreams once in a blue moon. Otherwise, I don't had dreams, or even though if I have, I forget about them. So this time I'm having a dreams, very weird ones, very like imaginations of my head, which usually doesn't happen. Whenever I had a dream, it is out of the even the thoughts of mine. So that's the second thing. And about the sleep cycle, yeah, it is still disturbed, but not. I'm not even worrying about it because I'm sleeping. Today is weird because I just sleep. Like even though I couldn't fall asleep, but I was just on my bed and laying around here and there. I'm happy if I stop doing that melody dreaming because I feel like it's also disturbing my whole schedule of. Yeah, there's a quite difference of me in the phone and me in the mirror. Because what the fuck? Maybe because there's a direct light on my face, I can easily see the marks on my face, which you cannot see here. And also I can see the this area which you cannot see here. Yeah, it is out of the topic, but that's what happened when you have a lot of things in your mind at the same time. So yeah, about the dreams and sleep, so this is happening. I'm happy about the daydreaming if I stop that, but also because I always do that, it is a little bit of emptiness, but I like it that I am giving the world to just surprise me, because now I'm not gonna make stories in my head, because I thought I make so much of the stories, like I use every possibilities in my head, that even if something happens, like yeah, always already thought about that, which is like boring. But yeah, so let's just see how the chapter unfolds more. Right now, this is the situation. Obviously, this is a little bit of like alarming for me that I'm changing, but also like okay, I mean, it's needed, babe. It's needed. It's very much needed. It's also like, oh, what if I lose the feeling about some specific person? But then it was like, yeah, that's fine. Even that's happened. Let's that happened now, please. Please, if that happened, let it happen. So yeah, it is that whew, happened.